Every day, conversations could open the door to a new opportunity. What if Live Good gives people an opportunity to build an additional income stream by introducing others to a global wellness company and its products? What I like about this opportunity is its simplicity. You don't have to build a shop, carry stock, or spend your whole day selling products. You only can simply share information, introduce people to Life Good, and let them decide if that's right for them. It can be done alongside your job, family, or retirement plan using your phone and the internet. Of course, there are no guarantees. Your result depends on your effort, activity, and the company's compensation rules. If you're curious about building something alongside what you're already doing, why not take a look? Take a look. I'll send you the information if you put a yes in my comments, and you can take a look.